Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today, I want to teach you how to assemble in the gear set for all SAVOX servo. So start from the micro, mini, standard, and low profile. Okay, this is low profile servo gear set assembling lesson. Okay, before you're doing the gear set assembling or repairing, you need to prepare the gear set grease, Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, and towel and servo horn. Okay, here is a low profile servo, the gear set assembling. So here is the gear set. So we're starting from the output shaft. The low profile a little bit different. You need to starting from the output shaft, then this gear, and put the pin in. Make sure rotating is okay. And then put the gear and pin. Make sure it's working. Then the first gear. First gear, make sure with motor rotating is okay. And final, we put the second gear inside. Okay, make sure the rotating is okay. Then put the grease and close the servo case. Use the servo horn to test. Rotating is okay. Then close the servo. Okay, there is a low profile servo lesson.
Does SAVOX sell the gear set?
Yes, SAVOX do sell the spare parts, the gear set, for all items. So if you need to repair the US servo, you can buy the SAVOX spare parts with our local dealer or distributor.
So does the warranty cover the gearbox?
Actually, the SAVOX warranty is not cover the gearbox. Only cover that when the servo is a DOA, is a die-in arrival.
Will SAVOX sell each gear separately?
Actually, right now, the SAVOX only provide the whole set gear parts. But maybe in the future, we are doing the gear separate to sell. So we will discuss internally with our R&D, and then we will get back to all customers soon. Thank you.